Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 14th of November with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's go for the Eurodollar now. And Eurodollar, well, nothing really going on. It's basically flat throughout the week. It's been waiting for this GDP data. I think it's been waiting for the GDP data all week. And it sort of has come out mildly positive, and you've had a reasonable reaction to that data, but you can still see this big consolidation rectangle going on, triangle going on, and it's sort of trading sideways. It still is waiting for that breakout, and looking at these momentum indicators, everything on the hourly chart is basically neutral. You had a slight breach to the downside of that ascending triangle, so of that ascending trend line. But to be honest, it's basically neutral, isn't it? It's still underneath that 25 figure mark, and I think that 25 figure is the resistance that we need to be looking out for. It seems to have capped the gains throughout this week, and it's funny actually, isn't it? Because if I zoomed out, you'd say that basically 26 was capping the gains last week, and 25 this week. So I think it's just consistently now in decline. I think that we will ultimately be seeing this as a chance to sell. I think anything towards 25 or even up towards $1.20, $1.26, I think is a chance to sell on Eurodollar, because we've still got this big downtrend. We've got the neckline of this top pattern that actually gives us a downside implied target of 23.20, which, to be honest, hasn't almost been hit, but not quite. But the outlook on the momentum indicators across the board are negative. Just basically rebounded slightly on the RSI and the stochastics, but to be honest, lost any real upside momentum. And I think ultimately it's going to be just resuming that downside shift in due course. I think we're going to see further lows on this Eurodollar, and that 125. Old support becomes the new resistance, and I think that is capping the gains. I think anything back towards 125 is a sell on Eurodollar. For further retests of that 23.57, but ultimately downside more beyond that in due course. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Eurodollar today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.